Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So I'm about to do a little mukbang. Yeah, I got my little pink wig on this time, and because I need to get my hair done, but that's whatever. Yeah, and we're gonna talk about some things, specifically a situation that's about to happen. That's a long time coming. So let's get started. All right, y'all. So now that I have a realistic amount of wings on my plate, y'all know I wasn't about to eat no 10, 15 wings. Not at all. I have my spinach here because that's, these days, like I said, I'm trying to watch what I'm doing. I don't get to eat my favorite foods every day anymore. So when I do, I try not to take it over. Ooh, y'all, look. I'm busy talking. I'm drinking water, alkaline water. I'm busy talking. Y'all, look. First of all, I'm sorry for slurping like that, but I couldn't drink it. It was too full. Anyway, let me try my wings and then we can get... This recipe is already on my channel. There was no point in me showing y'all how to make this. It's already on the channel. You see me fry chicken almost every 2 weeks. It's already on the channel. And I have a sauce here. Right here. I'm gonna put in the description box what it is. It's a sour cream hot sauce, like a sweet and tangy sauce. But anyway, let's get into some tea. Well, it's not really tea. Y'all, I love spinach. I could eat the bags of spinach like I'm eating chips. I go through at least 3 bags of spinach a week. I put them in my smoothies. And then I put them in my salads. So, here, look how good that looks. Ooh, I done got it on the table, y'all. If I don't know how to do something, I know how to cook some chicken. All right, y'all. So, you guys know I have a gap. You see it when you talk to me. I do videos. You see I have a gap. I've had this gap my whole life. Obviously, as I got older, for whatever reason, got wider. But it runs in my family. However, I have the widest gap. My brothers and my sister, they have gaps, but theirs are way smaller. My dad had a gap too, but it was super. You can't even see it unless you like. But you can see that he had a gap. For years and years and years, I struggled with it. Insecurities, of course, people talk about me. They talk about me till this day. But somehow, you get used to it, you get over it, and you deal with it. Like other people that have their own insecurities. So I'm not trying to play this woe is me, because it's not woe is me. I still go out there and do what I need to do for me, regardless of whatever insecurities I have and go through, or disabilities, or whatever you want to call it. Now I'm at a point in my life where I have the means, proper insurance, proper means to, get things fixed up. And that's basically what I'm going to be doing. I did not want to get implants or something like that, because I feel like I'm too young for implants. Because with the implants, they're going to have to take everything out and replace it. One is way too expensive. It's like $10K a tooth. Or I think it's more than that, as a matter of fact. I think it's 15 or so. It's more than veneers. I know that. And then on top of that, they have a lot of construction and things to do before I even get the braces put on. So after the spices drop, you're probably not going to see me on camera for a good 3 to 6 months. Until, we get everything going or whatever. My gap won't be closed, of course. Excuse me. But the process would, have been started, and I'll have my braces on. How do I feel about it? So used to the gap that, I don't know if how I'm going to feel when I don't have it anymore, but I'm not going to be dramatic, you know. It's becoming a problem, not just, you know, to look at me, but it's actually becoming a problem. It's messing with my speech. I'm having mouth issues, period, altogether. So, you know, what they told me is, you know, once it's fixed up, I'll be good to go. Let me see if I can show y'all this time without it, you know. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm not looking forward to the pain. They already told me I'm going to have discomfort because of the size of my gap. I don't know, child, but I'm looking forward to it. But because you know, I don't like feeling. I'd rather fix something before it gets too late. Do you know what I mean? I'd rather it be okay and good to go before it gets too late. So I'm looking forward to it in that sense. Also, like I said, it's messing with my speech. So you guys might not notice it because we're on camera and you can't really see up. But if you're in real life, you probably will notice it. So that's happening within the next 2 weeks. So I just wanted to share that with y'all because I share everything else with y'all. Let me know if y'all want to see a journey on that. Because I could record the journey of me going and doing this, that, and the third. If you don't want to see it, that's fine. I'm still going to record it for my own purposes. Or I'll put it on my second channel. Oh, by the way, I have a second channel. I'm not going to promote it yet, though. I have one video there so far. Once I get like 2 or 3 more videos, then I'll share it over here. I decided to make another channel because this channel primarily is for cooking and food related things, and just too many complaints when I'm not cooking or anything to do with food. So YouTube messes with me when I do videos that's not related to what's on my channel. For example, a specific video I posted about on my community page, people had their panties in a bunch. I did end up uploading it on my channel and YouTube shut it down. They shut it down. They said my content is something not related and da-da-da-da. And I was like, okay, girl. So I created a new channel, which is going to be a lifestyle channel. So, you know, a couple more videos and then I'll be posting it over here. But anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all about that. These wings are good. I don't eat a lot like that no more, y'all. Ever since I started my little journey, I just don't be eating like that. Like a lot of food. I'm talking about like portion. I eat, but I mean like portions. Ooh. Ooh. If you have any braces stories, if you ever had braces, if you have any tips, tell me what I'm looking forward to. Tell me what the hell I'm gonna go through. What you think about me getting them or getting my mouth, you know. And let me know what you think. But most of all, let me know your experiences if you ever had braces, because I want to know. I don't know, guys. I feel like it was time. It was time. And plus, you know, I feel like I would be more confident if my gap wasn't the way it was. I'm not going to say I'm insecure about it, but I'm not as confident as I could be if I didn't have this gap. I have places to go, things I want to do, and I just don't want anything to stop me. I know we're still in 2018, but 2019, but 2020, honey. 2020 is already boiling. It's already simmering on the stove. So I want to get all medical situations, everything out of the way before I even get over there, because I'm going to be working nonstop all next year. And I can't wait to share everything with y'all. I just can't wait. I love spinach. I just can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, let me know what y'all think about my bracelet situation. If you want this recipe, I'll just pin one of my fried chicken wing recipes below. I make them 100 times over on the channels, not missing nothing. But I will put, because this is really good, I will put this below. Okay, guys, I'll catch y'all on my next video, which will be next week. Oh, wait, my spices. Ooh, how do I even skip that? My spices drop in 4 days, y'all. I'm excited about that. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. I'm nervous, though, because I have a lot, but I just feel like I'm going to sell out. But we're not even going to go there. We're just going to have all positive vibes. Okay? They come out in 4 days. My spices will be available through my website. The link will be posted the day that they're released here on the channel. I'm probably going to come on and do a video or a post on the community page. Or maybe even live. I don't know. But you guys for sure will know. If you follow me on social media, they're going to get it last. So make sure you're here. Because I'm going to post here before I post there. And thanks everyone in advance for your support. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.